morning. I'm here with Manchester, Sheffield and Lincolnshire Railway coach number 946. This is a typical Victorian coach, wood, wooden frame, wooden body, and it's lit by gas. This proved to be a lethal combination at the Quintinshill disaster in 1915. Coaches like this were leased from the Great Central Railway to the Caledonian Railway, and many of them were in the troop train and crashed into a local at Quintinshill. Let me just take you back to the 22nd of May 1915. It's 6:20 in the morning. The down loop at Quintinshill, which is a signal box just north of Gretna, is occupied by a goods train. Coming down from Carlisle, there's a local stopping train and 2 express sleepers. So, signalman on duty, Mr. Meakin, decides to put the local train onto the down line, or the up line. Down local onto the up line. That always confuses me. So, what he forgets to do is he doesn't put the collar on the up home signal to remind him that it's there. This is a crucial error. So, the first sleeper passes safely, he's waiting for the next one. He's then offered a coal train, an empty coal train, coming down from the north, from Kirkpatrick. It then goes into the up loop. So now both loops and the up main are occupied. Then, crucially, a shift change takes place. So, the new signalman, Mr. Tinsley, comes on. Now, he's arrived on the local train that's sitting outside his signal box. Now, he's half an hour late for his shift. What's happened there? Meakin has been recording the train register on a piece of paper so that Tinsley can copy it into the logbook in his own handwriting when he gets there. Somewhere in this muddle, they've forgotten all about the local sitting in the upline. Kirkpatrick offers them a troop train carrying 500 to the 7th Royal Scots. It's accepted and passed forward to Gretna. It runs into the back of the local, which is still sitting on the upline. Just like this, wooden gaslit burst into flames. Then, the second down sleeper, coming from London, crashes into the wreckage. 215 of the Royal Scots are killed, out of 226 total deaths, including passengers and crew on the other trains. 191 soldiers are injured. Only 58 soldiers were present for the roll call at 4 p.m. Okay, so I'm here with a couple of troops from the 7th Royal Scots, or from Scots in the Great War. So, could you tell us about the regiment?
Yeah, we're here.
Where are you going?
It's, over the Remembrance Weekend this weekend, 2018, and we're here with the a replica of the Quintinshill carriage, which was used in 1915. Unfortunately, it was part of the disaster. Just obviously a replica today. We're here to represent the men of the 7th Battalion, as you said, Corporal Malliot and Last Corporal Scott here. Behind us we have Corporal Dean as well, but he's in conversation. Yeah, and we're here to work with the Royal Scots Association today. We'll be on parade later as well. But just to highlight the men of the Leithers of Leith, who were volunteers who went off to war and served.
Mm-hmm. So the train was headed to Liverpool. Where were the soldiers going?
They were going, so it was heading down to Liverpool area for mobilisation for the invasion of the Dardanelles, which we found out was Gallipoli, which was to open the second front. Unfortunately, some of them men never made it. 200 odd men obviously perished in that disaster. But they did move on to serve on the Dardanelles, and then they moved on to the Western Front, and where they finished their time in Flanders in 2018. And obviously moved back to Leith to take up their jobs they left, really. 4 years of war. Yeah, So we're just here to remember them this weekend. Yes, brilliant.
Okay, thanks for talking.
Thank you.
Inspecting the carriage underneath, you can see here what caused the fire at Quintinshill. Gas lighting, there's a pressure gauge there, and you've got your 2 gas cylinders underneath, and of course all the framing, it's all wood. So when the train crashed at Quintinshill, the whole thing concertinaed. So some men would have probably been crushed immediately in the collision, but many were trapped in the wreckage and died in the fire.